New Delhi, August 21, 2025, Yakult Danone India Pat. Limited, a joint venture between Yakult Honsha in Japan and Group Danone in France, today announced the appointment of Bollywood star Taapsee Pannu as its new brand ambassador. Strengthening its commitment to promoting good gut health across India, the company also revealed its ambitious goal of achieving double-digit growth every year until 2030. Since its entry into India in 2008, Yakult has expanded to nearly 700 cities across the country, successfully pioneering the probiotic dairy drink category and creating greater awareness around gut health. With India witnessing a paradigm shift toward healthier food and beverage choices, the demand for probiotics and functional foods is on the rise, making the country a crucial market for Yakult's growth strategy. Speaking on her association with the brand, Taapsee Pannu, Bollywood actor or Yakult brand ambassador, said, "I'm really happy to be part of Yakult's journey in promoting good gut health. My family has been enjoying Yakult for years, especially my mom, and I've seen firsthand how small, consistent habits can make a big difference. I truly believe that good health starts in the gut, and Yakult is such an easy, tasty way to include that in our daily routine. I'm excited to help spread this message and encourage more people across India to embrace a healthier lifestyle." Reiterating Yakult's business vision, Mr. A.G. Amano, Managing Director, Yakult Danone India Pat. Limited, stated, "India has shown remarkable growth potential for Yakult over the last 17 years. From a nascent category in 2008 to a rapidly expanding market today, Yakult has continuously won consumer trust, and our next milestone of achieving double-digit growth every year until 2030 reflects the growing demand for probiotics and the confidence we have in the Indian market. Yakult stands committed to reaching more families with our scientifically backed."
The gut is basically your large intestine and your small intestine. So when we talk about the gut, it basically talks about your intestine, and it is the site for digestion of all the food that you eat and all the nutrients that you absorb, and also for removal of all the waste material. Now, when we talk about the gut, we also know that 70% of your body's immune system is located in the gut. So while it's about digestion, it's about absorption of nutrients, it is also the largest immune organ of a human body, because it is the largest surface area which is exposed to bacteria, viruses, and all other harmful substances. And when we talk about the gut and the brain, scientists have discovered that there is a nerve in the body which is called the vagus nerve, which connects the gut to the brain and the brain to the gut. And that is why we say the gut-brain axis.
As said, it is important not just to achieve a certain goal of you need to have a certain sized body, or you want to have your abs. It's also good to feel good from inside. I take care of it not just by properly timed meals in terms of you need to have a particular quantity to make sure your body digests it well, but also what you eat is digested in the best possible way is extremely important. So I actually have probiotics daily, like Yakult daily in my food diet, and especially the days when I have these kind of cheat meals, because that is extremely helpful to digest all these cheat meals. Every day, I actually can say that every day. Maybe I would have skipped it when I'm traveling and forgotten it, which Amano-san will help me carry it always with me now. But at home, we've always had a stock of Yakult. Probiotics in general, I would say, is everyday requirement of the body. And I've been following it over years. So I can very easily, very happily recommend that to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Actually, that time I came here 2006 and we prepared, and 2008 we launched the product. At that time, actually, none of the people know about probiotics and Yakult brand name. So at a very hard time to even at sales start and everything. But continuously last 18 years we have dedicated promotion activities, science activities, and gradually the awareness of probiotics and Yakult brand is increasing. So recently most of the people know about probiotics, and this is a very good big change once. Yes.
प्रोबायोटिक है तो तब उस समय में हमें यहाँ पे प्रोबायोटिक वर्ड ही एक नया शब्द था। तो हमने, आप सोच लो, पहले 10 साल सिर्फ एजुकेशन में लगाया कि ये जो प्रोबायोटिक का जो मतलब है वो प्रोबायोटिक, प्रो मतलब फॉर और बायोटिक मतलब लाइफ, ये है क्या? क्योंकि जब हम बैक्टीरिया के बारे में सुनते हैं हमें यही लगता है कि बैक्टीरिया मतलब हमें बैक्टीरिया से बीमारियां होगी। हम कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते कि ऐसे अच्छे बैक्टीरिया हैं जो हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी हैं। तो 10-15 साल तो उसी में लगे लोगों को ये समझाने में कि ये प्रोबायोटिक क्या है। अब हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि जैसे 2008 के बाद अब अगर हम सोचे 2025 में, लोग हर एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में, हर एक साइंटिफिक सेशन में लोग कहते हैं कि गट हेल्थ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो अब लोग समझ रहे हैं कि प्रोबायोटिक क्या होता है। तो हमने ज़्यादातर क्लास ए, सेट ए और मतलब मेट्रोज में ये एजुकेशन करी है। अब जब हमें लग गया है, पता लग गया कि लोगों को समझ आ गई है, लोग प्रोबायोटिक समझने लग गए हैं, गट हेल्थ समझने लग गए हैं, बैक्टीरिया समझने लग गए, तो हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मासेस की तरफ जाएंगे।
इतने हेल्दी ड्रिंक आ गए हैं मार्केट में, तो याकूब ही क्यों?
ये हेल्दी ड्रिंक वो उस टाइप की हेल्दी ड्रिंक नहीं है जो सिर्फ क्लेम करते हैं हेल्दी ड्रिंक और उसके अंदर इंग्रेडिएंट्स में जाए तो पता नहीं क्या क्या होता है उसके अंदर। जो एक चीज तो ठीक करता है, 4 चीजें खराब और कर देता है।
नहीं तो लोग कंफ्यूज हैं कि ये पिए
इट्स अ
या फिर वो पिए।
प्रोबायोटिक। देखिए प्रोबायोटिक है, बाकी आपको जो डॉक्टर हैं, जो हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट हैं याकुल्ट के अंदर, वो आपको बता सकते हैं साइंटिफिकली। मैं इतना कहूंगी, मैं इसको एक प्रोबायोटिक ड्रिंक की तरह देखती हूँ, जो आपकी गट में ऐसे बैक्टीरिया इंट्रोड्यूस करता है जो आपको काफी चीजों से डील करने में हेल्प करता है, इंक्लूडिंग स्लो मेटाबॉलिज्म। सो आई थिंक दैट इज हाउ यू शुड लुक एट याकुल्ट। 18 साल हो रहे हैं अब इसको सक्सेसफुली मार्केट में होते हुए, धीरे धीरे इसकी रीच बढ़ती है। कोई रीजन ही है कि इतना पॉपुलर हो गया अब ये ब्रांड, गो टू ब्रांड है प्रोबायोटिक्स के अंदर। सो देयर इज अ रीजन, इट्स वर्ड ऑफ माउथ दैट हैज मेक दिस ब्रांड दैट बिग। So I think rest the product is
Next question, please. Anyone else? Next
Sir,
question.
मेरे को तो क्वेश्चन का आंसर कंप्लीट नहीं। ओके